In this video, let's talk about why you need to install BMW Wheel Spacers with Hub Sentry. Let's go. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality Hub Sentry wheel spacers. The Hub Sentry wheel spacers come with a Hub Sentry lip as a transition point. Bonus Hub Sentry wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right Hub Sentry spacers, there will be no problem. The precision of bonus wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise 10 mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us some thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.